Mijn naam is Merijn van Berlo. Ik ben chef-eigenaar van de restaurant Choux in Amsterdam. Vegetable-focused restaurant, so we do serve a little bit of shellfish, but mainly about vegetables. That's usually the star in our menus. When I'm working with new produce, with new ideas, it's invigorating, you know, like I get energy from this. Ik hou wel van mezelf uit te dagen en wat anders te maken steeds. Every dish is around 8 weeks on the menu, depending on the weather, on the ingredient. I'm pretty organized. The recipes, we usually will make them in a Google spreadsheet. Basically it looks like this. So this is all our testing. This is all testing from this year. All recipes.
Wow, how many are there?
It's a lot. Die seizoenen zijn een bron van inspiratie voor ons. Het begint eigenlijk meer met een overzicht van wat is er in het seizoen momenteel. Daar gebruik ik Gastronomixs ook heel erg veel voor. Like in summer, tomatoes that taste the best. You can buy tomatoes in wintertime, but they'll never be as good as now. Gastronomixs really helps me in providing information about seasonality of ingredients. So this is always a good way to start developing a new recipe. Great Wi-Fi. In all the recipes we use, there's always, you know, like a classic combination or classic ways to make a recipe work. It sometimes really helps to check out other recipes to get a head start with your own idea. We'll never copy something. I always want to give it my own way, but it'll save me a lot of time.
What are you doing there?
Yeah, so I'm importing the screenshot we just made from the recipe. I've imported it in the new feature. And if I want to make 10 or 12 or whatever what I need for the amount of guests I'll be serving today, I can just really easily change everything and the app will calculate how much I need of everything. A mistake is made really easily, and like this, the result will always be the same. That's it. Done.
Finished?
Job done!